150. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, let's get her back to the house and see you. Alrighty then, and we're back. Oh jeez. We've got still on the trailer. Haven't had the chance to get it off yet, but looking around, it was listed as hail damage. You can see there is definitely hail damage, but it's not too bad. Oh, I didn't notice that. There's a quarter dent right there. Lots of rust, but the tires, look at these tires. Like, these are winters, but look at them. Like, and where's the date on these? Let's see. It says 2018 right there, so I wonder if that's accurate or if that's when they were made. But anyway, so 15-inch rims, okay. Anyway, the interior, take a look at it here. Oh jeez. So this catches on the fender there, so I gotta just bend the fender back out. But as you can see here, it doesn't smell too bad. It's, not great, but can't complain. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. Okay, this is better. So you can see right here, handle is sticky. This falling off. These buttons all click. They seem to work. But it's really in rough shape. This was obviously somebody's beater who didn't seem to care. Let's see if this handle, yeah, the handle works. But so in here, the seat is way too far forward. So this steering wheel tilt works. Look at that, 295,000 kilometers. You can see here's the radio. I need a special tool to get that out. It's got a cassette player, which I love. Cup holders here. That's kind of broken. Let's see what's in the glove department, which my mom called it a glove department, which is hilarious. Airbag thing is jiggling around. That's okay. There's me with my hair. Okay, fold this visor down. Obviously, the battery, it's dead as a doornail, so that's why I've got the charger out. But yeah, no, the interior, it's not great, but it's not horrible. Horn button pushes all right. You can see here, auto lamp. I'm not sure what that does. Panel, dim. You've got your turn signal. So everything seems to be working. The one thing that kind of caught me off guard, which was actually relatively annoying, if you open this monstrosity here and take a look down here, you can see this kick plate or panel, not the kick plate, but the this panel here is missing, which is kind of unfortunate. I guess I'll have to find another one. This was listed as run and drive, so I guess we can see if it does run and drive. And I have the key down there. Okay, let's see here if it'll start. I've got the battery charger. I'm gonna hook that up, so let's do that right now. Okay, there we go. Finally got the video working. Okay, so come on, positive goes on positive. Let's see here, make sure that's off, and let's grab this here. Okay, she's plugged in. Turn it on. Manual. Engine start. Okay, it's getting juice. It's listed as a run and drive. Who knows? It could have a knock. It could have anything. Is it? Okay. Yeah, it's getting interference, so let's see if I can do this here. Okay. Nothing's getting enough power here. It's getting interference. It's not working here. So let's turn this off and back on. Go automatic. So I'm just gonna let this, actually no, let's go high level. And let's let this charge up here. Okay. I cleaned off the terminals. On. Engine start. Whew. You know, this part makes me nervous. I can't wait to see if it'll start or not. Oh. It cranks strong. So that's a great sign. It's telling me to wait, so let's get back. Okay. Hey, got more juice that time. Let's try it again. Let's shut the door. Okay. Damn it, it's still dead. Okay. It's kind of working though. No. One crank. Okay. It's been charging for quite some time. Let's see. I'm just hopeful. All I can do is hope that she'll crank. Oh, window doesn't work. Oh, yes, it does. Okay. Yeah, so the window's not doing so well. Look at her run. Check that out, man. Like, runs like a clock. Holy jeez. Is that ever a relief and a half? Okay, now, here's the moment of truth. Now that we've got her started. Brakes feel good. Great. Jeez. Okay. Right into reverse. Right into drive. Oh, yeah. Let's see, FM. And let's see if we can tune here. Go to a station I like. There we go. Blower motor work. Let's see here. Ah, it comes with a quarter tank. Yeah, blower motor works. Let's see if the heat works here. Let's do vent. Actually, you know what? We'll do this. We'll go to this, and then we'll do norm AC. Let's see if the AC works, because if it does, then I won. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. AC is ice cold. Ice cold. So whoever had this maintained it well. Yeah, AC works beautifully. Okay, so one of the turn signals is burnt out, and it's the rear. Wow. Oh. Wow. I hope I didn't just get copyright there, but that is... Power steering feels great. Oh, there's those lights. They work. What a surprise. They work. See, man? Ford is awesome. Only problem is I have to fix that window regulator. Back window works. Other back window works. And the passenger window works. Driver's side doesn't, and the door panel's falling off, but that's okay. I can fix that. So the cosmetically, it hasn't held up perfectly. But other than that, let's put this window down nicely. Okay. That's manual window, but this thing runs like a clock. Like, it runs like a clock. And it has brand new tires. And it has a quarter tank of gas. And listen to this. Like, that is outstanding. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get this off the trailer here, but let's just see. Do the mirrors work? Wow, that one works. And that one works. Wow, that is so weird. I just don't even know what to say right now. I am in... Trunk button even works. Look at that. The trunk button works? What's in the trunk? Spare tire? Nothing. Nothing important. Like, that is outstanding. If that works. See, look. Ford, man. People say, I'm wearing a Chevy hat right now. People say, found on road dead. Fix or repair daily. No. You know what? I'm going to say for only resplendent drivers, And I'm gonna say that after 300,000 kilometers, this thing runs like a clock. And it starts right up, cranks like right up. That is something like, that is something. Cosmetically, it's bad. It's bad. The person obviously didn't take perfect. Okay, now the door won't open. Maybe I should watch what I say. No, I'm joking. Let's see here. Oh, the door panel's just caught. There we go. Heat works. Oh, yeah. Oh, I feel that heat. That is outstanding. Holy jeez. The heat. Oh, let's turn this off so I don't get a... What does this do? Oh, push on. Wow, even the speakers sound good. Like, in reverse. Boom, right into verse. Boom, right into drive. No check engine light. Oh, like, parking brake light doesn't work. I wonder if the lights are... Oops, that's the hood release. Sorry, let's do the parking brake release works. Does this thing have heated seats? I doubt it, but oh man, I'm just elated. Let's see. Locks work. Everything works in this. Okay, headliner sagging a little back there. That's fixable. Okay, I'm gonna get this off the trailer. Jeez, I'm just too happy right now. Okay, got her off the trailer. Well, and there you have it. I mean, not much else can be said. It did have a misfire, actually. I parked it over there and it had a misfire. You know, you could hear it. But whoever owned this, maintained it. Like, they didn't care about the cosmetics. Clearly, this was a person who didn't care about any of that. This was a person who wanted it to be mechanically perfect. And that's it. It runs perfectly. Now it starts every time, just ringing right up. It's a little dirty, so we're gonna get that taken care of. Not in this video, but probably in the next. And, you know, go over what's wrong with it, what's right with it, quite frankly. And just kind of see if I got a great deal, and I think I did. So let's actually check out that blinking light. Okay, shut that. No, it's working. Wait a minute, what the heck? Oh, maybe it's that bulb. Okay, so this, it's blinking fast. Let's go ahead and shut this off and put it on the hazards and see what it's supposed to look like. Oh yeah, okay, so 2 bulbs are supposed to light up and this one only has 1. That's fine. I think there's some spare bulbs, but okay. I gotta end this video, but there we go. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like. Don't hesitate to share it with your friends, definitely. I'm trying to grow my channel, you know, teen mechanic. I mean, I think it's pretty cool that I'm only 14. I've changed engines, I've changed head gaskets, I've done significant transmission and engine work, and I've had several cars already, so I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.